In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted boards in monday.com. Let's jump right in and start by opening your web browser and logging into your monday.com account. You'll then want to look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll see your profile picture or initials. Clicking on this will open up a drop-down menu and you'll need to select Recycle Bin from there. Alternatively, if you're already logged in, you can directly access the Recycle Bin by visiting the link https monday.com/recycle bin. This shortcut can save you a bit of time and effort. Now that you're in the recycle bin, you'll find it filled with various deleted content such as boards, items, or tasks, groups, and even dashboards. For each entry, you'll see useful details like who deleted it, when it was removed, and from which workspace it originated. This information can be incredibly helpful for keeping track of and managing your workspace efficiently. Next, it's time to locate the specific board you wish to restore. To make this process easier, use the search bar at the top of the recycle bin. Enter the board's name if you know it, or use related keywords if you're drawing a blank, such as marketing, projects, or client. You can also filter by type to narrow down your search results to only include boards. Taking advantage of these tools will speed up your search process considerably. Once you've found the deleted board you're looking for, move your cursor over the entry. You'll notice an option titled Restore on the right-hand side. Clicking on this will immediately reinstate the board to its original workspace along with all its associated permissions. It's important to note that restoring the board also brings back all items, updates, and automations contained within it, ensuring a seamless recovery experience. Finally, let's verify that your board has been successfully restored. Go back to your workspace sidebar. Here you should see your board has returned and is listed once again. Open the board to confirm that all your data, groups, and columns are complete and accurate. If anything looks amiss, make sure to check the activity log. This feature allows you to review what changes were made before the board's deletion, offering insights into any modifications that occurred prior. And there you have it. You've successfully restored a deleted board in monday.com, ensuring all your important data is back in place. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other how-to videos for more useful tips and tricks.